sorry.
It's all right. Get your show on the road. Let you do everything. So turn the bike. Make sure it's in what? Wait. Always
neutral.
Make sure it's what? It's in neutral. You hit your kill switch. Turn it on.
Like a gravel road too. I'm like nervous. So hard that you let off the clutch. Don't do that. It's kind of nervous because the ground is different.
Yeah, well,
the ground is gravel.
Don't make no narrow turns. Just turn gradually, big, huge, wide circles. But try to just go straight for now. We're gonna work on going straight.
Okay. Anyway, I can turn this around.
Remember what I tell you.
Always put your hand on clutch, and then put your hand on the brake.
What's the saying?
Don't go too fast.
Clutch before everything.
Clutch before everything.
Stopped, you didn't grab the clutch.
Yeah.
You cut the bike off.
Yeah. Okay. So. Sorry.
It's all right.
I did bad.
No, you didn't.
Because this thing is heavy.
What you're doing is you're hitting the brake so hard it's throwing your balance off.
I think it's because of gloves.
Nah, you gotta have the gloves on. But what you're doing is when you're hitting the brake, you're hitting it too hard. So it's jamming and it's throwing your balance off. That's why you almost keep dropping the bike.
Okay.
So you gotta ease on the brake.
Okay.
You don't even gotta hit you're going so slow, you could just squeeze the clutch and just put your feet down and come to a stop like that. You ain't gotta trying to jab on the brake so hard.
Okay.
Because it's throwing your balance off. You keep almost dropping the bike.
Okay.
So calm down. You're getting too excited.
I got anxiety. Yes. Okay. Because I think it's the ground. It's a different kind of ground. It's not smooth like that.
Well, that's life.
Okay.
When you get out on the road, it's gonna be all kind of different grounds.
Okay. I think it's my mind trying to psych me out. Okay. All right. Why am I wobbling? How do you turn the car off? How do you turn it off?